How to create Snapchat account. So if you want to create a Snapchat account, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat application, now if you want to create an account, then you need to go with sign up, which is on the bottom. Go with continue, go with allow, and enter your name. There are 5 steps. Enter your name, go with agree and continue, and then add your date of birth. After that, go with continue, and now you need your username, so make sure you remember your username. Or if you don't like the username right here, then you can go with change my username, and you'll be able to change your username. Go with continue, and then set a password. Make sure that you've selected save password, and after that go with continue again, and then select your region, and you need to enter your mobile number with the country code. Or there will be also another option, which is you can use your email or your phone number. So you can select either your phone number or your email, and after that you can go with continue, and your account will be created. So it was that easy to create a Snapchat account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.